What's going on, you filthy animals? AMC closed green, and something of note. Yesterday we had turnover at 13%. Today we see that at or about 8.67%. So that is an improvement. That just means you buy and you hold, right? Okay, now let's look at what we see here with AMC on the minute chart. What we saw was a lot of strength here in this area along the 200 EMA. And this is a show of strength. Yes, we had a breakdown in price action, but then it rose right back up before market closed. Now, we saw the morning extremely volatile and favorable price action to the upside at 41.79. Now, 41.91, that's that point of no return, right? I feel like once we break this, we're off to a massive party, at least in the mid to upper $40 channel. And that's what we want to see, because obviously we want to run it all the way back up to 72 and really put some pressure on the shorts who have established themselves at the 70, 60, 50, 40, and 30s. With that being said, I'm extremely bullish. We go ahead and we look at the 4 hour and we could see a couple of things. Thing number one, we have the MACD crossed above the signal line with some green bars on the histogram. Beautiful thing. We also see RSI, although elevated, not too concerned with that. A high RSI above 50 shows that there's strength in the move, strength in the trend. And the trend that we're looking at is highlighted here in purple. And this is a move to the upside after several trading days of consolidation. So guys, tits or jack, you gotta be bullish. Let's just congratulate you fucks for winning. I mean, 72,191 contracts expiring in the money. So good for you. Now, let's go ahead and look at where Max Peen is. $39. It did not shift today, but the put call ratio, extremely bullish. Usually when you see something over 0.7 or 0.7 or above, that is bearish sentiment, but we see that number getting lower and approaching 0.5. That's where we like to be. Currently, put call ratio is 0.5943. So there's a lot of bullish sentiment with AMC. Now, what is the driver here? Well, we have some news. Stocks extend gains after retail sales top estimates. Goldman Sachs shares jump after earnings. So we were all prepared for a doomsday earnings season. And we like to think that analysts were revising their projections leading up to this point. Again, you underpromise, overdeliver. You see, from yesterday to today, we have earnings reports certainly beating expectations. And this is an indicator that the economy is coming back to life. And this is something that we want to see, particularly in the retail sales segment. Abajax, can you name a struggling retailer?
Kmart.
Yeah, Kmart, Sears, dead, gone. Have you guys ever walked into a Kmart recently, or even a Sears, if there happens to be one still open? It's like a time machine back to the 80s. The fixtures are just so, cringe. And so you wonder why they go out of business. But let's go ahead and look at the broader market. We have the Dow, green. NASDAQ, green. S&P, green. Russell, green. And this is what we want to see. Now, short interest, 17.51%. Listen, guys, they have it covered. It means game on, right? You know what this also means? This means that people will be introducing more short positions as AMC continues to climb up, be it 45, 50, 55, 60, et cetera, et cetera. So I expect this number to go up in the coming weeks. However, I still remain bullish. Now, I'm going to conclude this video with some bullish sentiment here, because if we look on the daily, we see that AMC has broken above the 50 EMA. And this gets my tits jacked. And so for Monday, I expect a continuation of this momentum. Congratulations to you guys with those options contracts, but please do not make it a habit with the weeklies, guys. You don't have to stamp your lottery ticket each and every week. Just buy the stock, you buy and hold. Let's go ahead and get this turnover percentage even lower. And I promise you, those shorts are in full world of hurt. This is Gabe. I'm signing out. You know how we do. Peace.